Hey there, fellow streamers. Have you ever wished you could watch your favorite Prime Video shows with friends who are scattered across the globe? Well, you're in luck because Amazon Prime Video's Watch Party feature makes it super easy to sync up and chat in real time. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to set it up, so you can turn your next movie night into a virtual event. First things first, make sure you have an Amazon Prime Video account. If you don't, head over to the Amazon website and sign up. It's straightforward and packed with awesome content. Once you're logged in, open the Prime Video app on your device or visit the website on your computer. Now, browse for the movie or TV show you want to watch. Not all titles are eligible for Watch Party, so look for ones that have the feature available. Usually, it's marked with a special icon. Once you've selected your video, hit play and keep an eye out for the Watch Party option. It's typically found in the sharing menu or under the three-dot settings icon. Click on it, and you'll see a prompt to create a new watch party. Go ahead and create one. It'll generate a unique link for your friends to join. Copy that link and share it via text, email, or social media. When your friends click the link, they'll be directed to the same video, and once everyone is ready, you can start the party together. You'll all be watching in sync, with a chat window to discuss plot twists or share reactions. It's like being in the same room. One quick tip. Everyone joining needs their own Prime Video account and should be in the same region for it to work smoothly. If you run into any issues, double-check your internet connection or the eligibility of the content. And there you have it. Hosting a watch party is that simple. It's a fantastic way to stay connected, especially for long-distance friendships. Give it a try on your next binge session, and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Happy watching!